Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another video, another banger. You see, we got the Celsius already cracked open, and this morning we are at South OC Cars and Coffee because we have nothing else to vlog, and you know, I need to get a video out for y'all. I wish I could partake in Vlogmas, but you know, I've been working 6 days a week trying to get an R32 GTR for me and for y'all, of course, because I'm taking you along with this journey. But yeah, we don't have Susie. Susie is now under construction for the foreseeable future, so I don't know how long it's gonna take for Susie to be done, so who knows. But I'm telling y'all, when I tell y'all we're this close to getting a 32, we're this close. So hopefully the 32 content will be coming soon, but in the meantime, we're here at Cars and Coffee. Let's enjoy some cars. That's JDM shop. Who knows, maybe we'll find the 32, somebody selling it, and maybe we'll buy this one today, you know what I'm saying? So the goal today is to find some 32 GTRs, find some Evos, you know what I'm saying, and you know, maybe make some offers or something, and you know, see if somebody wants to sell it. Oh, look at that 33, y'all. And it's on the silver TEs. The M4 clean too. The soupy. Ooh. I'm telling y'all, silver wheels are the best wheels of all time. I don't know when y'all gonna start hopping on the wave. Silver is the best wheel color. Oh, that roof scoop is sexy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And the 5-spoke, I love a 5-spoke. The STO crazy too. Those wheels, I'm telling y'all, silver wheels. Stop playing with them boys. Yo, this 33 is so clean, bro. Damn. That bitch player too on the workies. Somebody's got money. Another Susie, yellow. This thing, this M4 is clean. You got the alarm going off. I ain't do it, but this thing clean though. Damn. With the carbon beezy and the Lil Wayne. Okay. So there's two 33s right here, and this one, I think I seen this one at R's Day. It has the gold badges. That's player. And if you guys notice anything different on the interior, this one has R34 seats, which I don't know how I feel about the 34 seats. Oh, and he's got the new Nismo wheel, which, look, I'm gonna show y'all this steering wheel right here. This is the wheel that I want to put in my 32. And he's got the Nismo cluster. This dude is rich. But yeah, y'all, that's the wheel that I want to put in my 32 when I get it. And y'all, this one right here is black, and it's a late model. It has the orange or reddish seats. This thing's sick, and has the carbon right here. I've never seen that before. That's pretty clean. This thing's sick. It's got the 15 front end on the 240. Look, this is what we're here for. I know you see it. Bow. Finally. Damn, yo, the white looks good. And this is the exact wheel setup that I want. Damn. Damn, yo, that's finna be us. This right here is hella clean, bro. I'd for sure buy one of these. A very unpopular opinion, possibly, but I'll definitely have a Bentley over a Rolls Royce any day. The Bentley is just so player, y'all. The Rolls is cool. It's just, there's something about the interior on the Rolls outside of the star ceiling that's just not it. But this Porsche is clean. This is, if y'all didn't know, this was the color combo, the wheels and this color. This is what I was gonna put on my Supra before I did, you know, the yellow or green that I did. And he's got the plaid seats. Yeah, this shit hard.
Manual with the little pillows in the back too.
Manual GT3? This thing player. Boy, what you got on? All right, y'all, we done found what we was looking for now. This. What, did he put the OEM wheels? 3-piece? I've never seen that. That's kind of clean. And you know, my boy got that Thome down there. This is hard. This is hella clean. This front bumper on the Supra, I love it. This thing is done properly. This is what we come here for. This is what we come here for. The red look low-key good, I ain't gonna lie. I don't like red cars, but it's not bad in person. Oh, I just can't wait till we get ours. Single Terpsky boys. With the green? You did it green? That's new. Ooh, see? Silver wheels. I'm telling y'all, y'all better hop on the wave and say you heard it from me. You like this car, DJ? I'm gonna buy one. Huh? This one. Not this one exactly, but this kind of car. You like it? Bro, despawned or lagged out or something. These wheels are super clean. I don't know whether I want to do CEs or TEs on the 32. I'm leaning towards TEs just because I don't have a car with TEs yet. Another, what is it, M3? Oh, these cars are so clean, bro. So can you hurry up and buy one so I can make a vlog saying I bought it?
Fuck it, bro. I'm sorry. I'm fucking broke.
Fuck. Anyways, there's another Susie right here. I don't know what kind of wheels these are. But I'm gonna say it once, say it again. The sideburns, the Abraham Lincoln lamb chops, I'm not a fan of. I do not like that shit. And another thing I don't like is this badge.
It looks like it has a mustache.
I was about to say something nice about it too. Bro, I love Evos. Oh my god.
Which Evo is this?
This is an Evo 8.
Oh, no, it's not. It's a 9.
It's an 8.
It's a 9.
Damn, y'all. Y'all know Evos have a special place in my heart. I feel like I say that shit every video, but I just love them so much. The only thing this one needs is to take off the Decepticon badge, a JDM rear bumper, and the black taillights. And this thing would be, and a Tomei. Always need the Tomei. GT3 boys? That shit sounds horrible right now. Little chaser, and this thing's clean. Okay. I've been seeing a lot of these lately. The fast guys pulled up today. Let's see what.
Probably still get no traction.
They probably still don't get no traction. The fat ass boys back there. This is a clean ass wheel setup. Little Corsa intake, bro. I don't know nothing about this car.
Bro, you look right here, bro.
They do look good though. They do be looking good though. The 32's back. I'm telling you, they keeps following me. It's a sign. And that's the exact wheel setup that I want to, so I know I'm about to steal his wheel specs. Damn, so good. Yeah, when he parks, I'm stealing his wheel specs. Music to my ears, y'all. Man, I need it. Y'all said the word. Y'all told me. Y'all said go get the Skyline. Y'all blew the comments up. That was all the comments said. Go get the Skyline. So I'm gonna do it for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So when I'm bankrupt and I'm broke, just know I did it for y'all. You got 2 demons outside. Shit's crazy. Ooh, bro, I'm telling you, they following me. It's a sign. Let me check out the demons though. All right, that's enough. We don't really care. This is what we care about. Man, it's so beautiful. And an NSX? I'm tweaking right now.
Has one of these.
Yeah, my friend has one. What?
That dog has the best one.
Yeah?
Bro, come here.
On the BBs? Yeah, this shit's clean with the carbon in the back. Okay, I can fuck with it. Snack. 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 I think this is the VQ Swap 240.
Same cars every week, though.
Crazy. Same car. We did see this last time, huh? Still cool though. Still to see. You don't really put VQ. You don't really see VQs in those. Oh, y'all tell me, don't this shit look like one of them Fortnite cars? We're laughing because he said it off camera and it was hilarious. And I stole his joke. But this dude looked like one of them Fortnite cars. Look, I knew this guy was rich, but I didn't know he was this rich. Y'all see this? Engine cover? All this shit is big money. If you know, you know. All this shit is big money. And he's got the Tomei turbos on there. The Mine strut bar? That's money right there too. Bro, what fucking JDM legend has this car? Bro is rich. Rich. That finish, what the?
It's got carpet.
Bro, that shit do look like carpet. Why is so rough? Bro, watch out, bro, back up. Yeah, this needs some work to look like that. This one's right here, it's clean too. We got the see-through cover, single Terpsky boys. Okay, the bay's all been redone, resprayed and everything. This is clean. Alright y'all, we came back underground because sometimes there's hidden gems down here, but people are doing flybys under here, probably gonna get kicked out, but we got a Porsche here and the new Z down here, which is pretty clean. And they got the runny egg and it's got a wing. This thing is clean. All right, y'all, we found it. See, last time I got tricked and it was a Lancer, but this one is an actual Evo. Bow. Ooh, see, this one needs the JDM rear bumper, but it has the black taillights that I was talking about earlier. So clean. It needs some paint work up top, but you know, a lot of Evos need work nowadays. Evo 9 too. Oh, this car is so lovely. This gotta be next. After the 32, after the house. Yeah, it's a Lancer Evolution, dickhead. An Evo, a Skyline, and Susie is my dream garage. And one day we'll get there. Y'all gotta keep hitting that like button though. Keep supporting the channel, bro. I'm telling y'all, it really makes a difference when y'all hit the like button and y'all subscribe, etc., etc. You know, I appreciate all that. So one day we can have things like this and y'all can enjoy the content.
I got a stay, bro, got a blip, we catching hella pose. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on a yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.